In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, myself Umar Mustafa, today going to discuss on the topic of Illuminati. Before going to the topic, I would like to introduce my other group members named Kamal Ihtisham, Zainul Abidin, Aliza Arif, Osama, and Aliza Ghazal. As many question arises in your mind, so without delay, let's start our topic. The year was 1776. In Bavaria, new ideals of rationalism, religious freedom, and universal of human rights competed with Catholic Church heavy influence over the public areas. Across the Atlantic, a new nation staked its claim for independence on the basis of these ideas. But back in Bavaria, the law professor Adam attempts to teach the secular philosophy continues to be frustrated. Adam decided to spread his ideas to a secret society that he named as the Illuminati. The Adam modeled the aspects of his secret society of a group which is known as Freemasons. Originally an elite stoneworkers guild in the last Middle Ages, they generally promote the ideas of knowledge and reasons. Over the time, they had grown into the semi-secrets, exclusive others, and include many wealthy, influential individuals which collaborate with the secret initiation. He adopted the code name called as Spartacus for himself for the promotion of his society. These members became the Illuminatis or Areopagus. One of these members, Baron Adolf, was also the Freemason. He tried his best to increase the numbers of Illuminatis. With his help, Illuminatis increases. In 1784, there were over 600 members of Illuminatis. As the Illuminatis gained the members, the American Revolution also gained the momentum. As this secret is now open secret, so the people also recognized and the world recognized the secret of Illuminati. As I just tell you in detail that what is the Illuminati and where the Illuminati comes, so my other group members discuss the origin, the symbols, and a lot of interesting information about the Illuminati and the effect of Illuminati on different peoples and also on the major personalities. I try my best that this video helps you a lot to get many interesting information. I would like to conclude my video that Illuminati have no all the answers. It's just a matter. You see the knowledge, you see the power, you see the currency. Someone goes to use it and someone tries to play with it. So don't take serious about the Illuminati. In your near surrounding, everything is controlled by some Illuminatis. So I come up that we are always in control of any other persons. Someone tries to destroy ourselves and someone gotta play with us. So the whole world is a complete package of full of secrets. Now I would like to call my another member's name as Kamal Ihtisham to discuss about more interesting information about the Illuminati.
My name is Komal Ihtisham and I am from BCS A1. My topic is Origin of Illuminati. of Illuminati. It was on 1st May 1776 that Adam Weishaupt, a professor of law at the University of Ingolstadt, founded the Order of the Illuminati, a secret organization formed to oppose religious influence on society and the abuse of power by the state by fostering a safe space from critique, debate, and free speech. Inspired by the Freemasons and French Enlightenment philosophers, Weishaupt believed that the society should no longer be dictated by religious virtues. Instead, he wanted to create a state of liberty and moral equality where knowledge was not restricted by religious prejudice. However, religious and political conservatism ruled in Ingolstadt at that time, and subject matter taught at the Jewish-controlled university where Weishaupt's lecture was strictly monitored. After initially handpicking his 5 most talented law students to join, the network rapidly expanded, its members disseminating Weishaupt's goal of enlightenment with radical teachings, while at the same time creating an elaborate network of informants who reported on the behavior of the state and religious figures in an effort to build up a wealth of information that the Illuminati could potentially exploit in their teachings. With the help of the prominent German diplomat Baron Adolf Franz and Freiherr von King, who helped Freemasons lodges to Illuminati cause, the clandestine group grew to more than 2,000 members throughout Bavaria, France, Hungary, Italy, and Poland, among other places. Not as many people know about it, but the Illuminati was part of the history of Ingolstadt. Local journalist Michael Karner explained, as we stood outside the old University of Ingolstadt and its unassuming church-like building just a short stroll from Sister Anna's bookshop. The Illuminati was never meant to be noticed. Weishaupt was in many ways a revolutionary, Karner continued. He called the idea of teaching people to be better human beings. He wanted to change society. He was dreaming of a better world, of a better government. He started the Illuminati with the idea that everything known to humankind should be taught, something that was not allowed here at the university. Entering the old university building, I was on the lookout from any sign that Weishaupt's organization started within these thick medieval walls, but clues were noticeably absent. But maybe that should not be so surprising. The Illuminati, after all, was never meant to be noticed. Weishaupt wanted to change society. He was dreaming of a better world. The Illuminati conspiracy theory is what we call a super conspiracy, or basically a conspiracy that controls smaller conspiracies, said Dr. Michael Wood of the University of Winchester, an expert in the psychology of conspiracy theories. People do talk about the Illuminati, but a lot of the time it is in a joking or self-aware kind of way, almost making fun of the idea of a global conspiracy. Karner regularly leads Illuminati-themed walking tours to educate visitors on the group's relationship to the city. As we pass the large green, orange, and yellow painted buildings of the old city, Karner relayed of significant Illuminati dates, individuals, and information, taking us back to 16th century Ingolstadt and the role of the 15th century university professor John Eck in helping to cement the city, and the university in the particular as a bastion for the Catholic faith, something Weishaupt looked to counter 2 centuries later. Now, my next group member, Aliza Arif, will come and she will make you all aware about the ground reality of Illuminati.
My name is Aliza Arif. My registration number is SP21 PCS 035. My topic is about ground reality of Illuminati. First of all, we discuss the organizational structure of Illuminati. As Bavarian Illuminati consists of three grades. First is Novik, second Minerval, and third is Illuminated Minerval. First we discuss the Novik. In Novik, the entry-level members are introduced to order with occult theories and vocal wisdom, and identity of superiors are kept well hidden from new members. Second is Minerval. In Minerval, the beginners are lectured on spiritual principles of order, but has little knowledge of true aim, and beginners are allowed to meet superiors and they motivated by superiors illuminate. And last is Illuminated Minerval. In this, special person selected among Minerval giving special permission, they are given a special task to accomplish in order to take part in re-election of world domination. Next is Freemason and Illuminati. The Freemasons are fraternal society, that is the world largest. As Freemasons are existed to 16th century, their goal was the promotion of rights of Mason. The Illuminati had a much sinister goal. They wanted to overthrow the church and their aim to take over the world. Currently, after the Illuminati infiltrated the Freemason, the goal of later changed. It is visible in their current motto, that is, order after choice. Next is Freemason, a cover for Illuminati. Now, Illuminati infiltrated the Mason. Freemasons become the Illuminati, but the name Freemason remained same. So the Freemasons, those who were in higher position, are actually the Illuminati, and the rest of are a cover for global scale conspiracy. Next is how Illuminati exposed. Illuminati were exposed by one of their own. The original Bavarian Illuminati was in existence for less than a decade, from 1776 to 1785. A former member named Joseph was responsible for shutting them down. There are rumors that some of world's biggest pop stars and Hollywood celebrities are actually members of Illuminati. Some include Justin Bieber, Eminem, and other famous celebrities. In all of these, it's theorized that these stars owe their success to the help of secret organization. And also, Thomas Jefferson and many historical figures are the member of Illuminati. Some says that Illuminati headquarters is located at Denver International Airport. Here are some theories in this airport that there is supposedly an underground facility meant to act as an emergency bunker for global elite like politicians, world leaders, and many celebrities. And also in this airport, underground network of New World Order command bunkers. There is a FEMA concentration camp for future use. Dedication stone in Denver airport have Freemason logo, and also in this stone New World Commission was written. The New World Order was thought to be a small group of people secretly working together throughout history towards an all-powerful global government. Anyhow, nobody knows the exact location of Illuminati. Now my next groupmate Zainul Abidin will come and he will discuss how to join Illuminati.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Zainul Abidin and my registration number is SP21 ECS 006. My topic name is Joining of Illuminati. In this topic, we will discuss about what are the facts of joining this society, a real example of becoming a member of this society said by a man, and rules of the society after joining the society. Joining of Illuminati. The reality behind the joining of Illuminati seems very strange to everyone because according to people there are no such contact or website to directly contact them. It is said that if you want to join this society, you have to search all the facts or any important materials. You have to make links with other people who are expressing their thoughts about the society. That people will help you to join the society, but the clear way of joining the society does not exist. It is said when you join the secret society, for example Illuminati, in reality you are selling your soul to them, means you are selling yourself to them. According to the society, after selling yourself, you are not able to quit the society. If you want, then you will be tormented day and night. But in return, you will be given a chance to fulfill all of your desires like money, fame, success, etc. in a very short time. But according to people, once you join the Illuminati society or community, you have to strictly follow their rules. If you don't follow their rules, you will be tormented day and night, said by the society. In simple wording, you are somehow disconnected from the world. After joining the Illuminati, all of your actions are controlled by them. It is said that once you sell your soul to them, you are no longer be connected to any religion except them. Real example of becoming a member of Illuminati. A person named Baguma from South Africa said that I am 32 years old. I am here to give a testimony on how I became a member of Illuminati Brotherhood. It happened like a miracle. I have been trying to join the Illuminati for 4 years. Now have come across many scams that took my money. I have suffered a lot but never give up. And I am happy and grateful to Mr. Barry Castle that helped me to join the Illuminati. He made me understood that believing and ready to serve and obey the Illuminati Brotherhood was the most important thing before you can be a member, and know that Illuminati is a society of riches, power, fame, and every good thing in life. Now I am living a happy life, have whatever I wish to. When I met Mr. Barry Castle, he promised me that he will help me join the Illuminati Brotherhood and told me the Illuminati Brotherhood does not break promises. So I took that as a reason to trust him. He did as he promised. I received all the benefits in 3 days. I am using this media to let you know that with the Illuminati Brotherhood, you can become anything you want in life. But you must believe and ready to serve and obey the Brotherhood. I will advise you confirm for yourself and have a life change. All your problems will be solved and you will become all riches, respected and powerful. This is the end of poverty in your life. You must not waste this great opportunity. All that is required from you is just to pay $366 for your initiation fee and be committed. Some rules made by Illuminati. You must be serious. You must have full access to internet. You must not discuss the secret of Illuminati to anyone. No one discard the message of Illuminati. If discarded, the person will be tormented both the day and night. Failure to compel to the order and rules of the Illuminati shall see your fame and riches taken back. Now my next group mate Isman Lahi will represent his thoughts and express his topic.
My name is Usman Ilai and my registration number is SP21 BCS 007. I will discuss the symbols and goals of Illuminati. Members of this organization use different kinds of symbol as sign of showing Illuminati. The first symbol is all-seeing eye. It is considered as the most famous symbol of Illuminati. This symbol is an eye and it is surrounded by the rays. All-seeing eye symbol comes from Egypt. This symbol is hands in mostly temples wall and also display in a video game. Illuminati use all-seeing eye and represent seeing themselves as a god. This symbol indicates that members of Illuminati are everywhere in the world. The next symbol is pyramid. Illuminists also like to use the pyramid. 13 layers are present in this pyramid and these layers represent the 13 families of dreaded Illuminists. The solid construction of pyramid reflects the solid organization of Illuminati. This pyramid divides into three parts. The first part, which is the top of the pyramid, it indicates the rulers. The second part is the mid of the pyramid and it indicates the different layers of society. Last part is the bottom of the pyramid and it symbolizes the ordinary people which are controlled by the top. First time this symbol is printed on a dollar bill in 1935. This shows how much Illuminati are strong. The next symbol is owl. This symbol symbolizes the wisdom. In addition, we know that owls see in the dark and nothing escapes from its eye. So Illuminists use this symbol to show their power and saying themselves they are the wise ruler of this world. This symbol is also printed on the $1 bill. Next symbol is number 666. The number 666 refers to the mark of the beast. The number 666 is used to execute the plan. According to the conspiracy theorists, the number 666 is everywhere. For example, the number of barcodes are often divided into two groups and separated from one another by vertical lines in three positions further go down. This could be a reference to a number 666. This symbol is also present in the world famous company's logo, for example in Walt Disney and Adobe Acrobat Reader. The next symbol is inverted pentagram. The inverted pentagram is a 5-pointed star has been used by the Greek. The symbol was subsequently embraced by the witches. It represents a god of Mendes attacking heaven with its horns pointing upwards. The inverted pentagram with 2 points up is a symbol of evil. This symbol is a symbolic of church of devil and it is also used in a black magic. According to the conspiracy theorists, the street layout of Washington DC is an inverted pentagram. Now I discuss the goals of Illuminati. There are some most important goals which Illuminists want to achieve and are achieving successfully. Number 1, worship of devil. Number 2 is rule the whole world. Number 3 is rule the economy. Number 4 is rule the military. Number 5 is rule the politics. And number 6 is rule each and everything which is present in this universe. After achieving these goals, Illuminati will become the ruler of this world. Now, my next groupmate, Aliza Ghazal, will come and she will discuss about the link between death of Michael Jackson and Illuminati.
My name is Aliza Ghazal and my registration number is SP21BCS010. Since we all are discussing about Illuminati, so I will discuss about the death of Michael Jackson and how it is related to Illuminati. The death of Michael Jackson seems to be very simple, but it is not as simple as that. Most of the Hollywood stars are actually the part of the secret society. Michael Jackson, he was one of the most famous singers in the history of pop music, also known as the King of Pop. Michael, after getting fame and money in very short span of years, caught the attention of the secret society and they offered to recruit him so that he can get more success. After joining the society, Michael surely got success, which he wanted, but he was not satisfied with the work that Illuminati was doing by keeping the people of black community below them. Not only the people of black community, but mainly the people of black community. In the meantime, Michael bought the catalog of 4,000 famous music records. He started giving music rights to rightful owners, and this was not acceptable by the secret society. He started giving the rights to the rightful owners since he had the license and copyrights of all those music videos, but it was not bearable for the secret society since they were losing control over the music industry. After this, Illuminati started pressurizing Michael to sell his catalog to Sony Music, but Michael refused. After so much pressure, he had to sign a deal with Sony Music to give 50% shares of his catalog. After the deal, Sony Music tried to defame Michael in order to pressurize him more and to get rest of the shares from him, but Michael was resisting hard. In order to defame Michael Jackson, they filed a case against him, the case of child abuse, and after this case, the public image of Michael was completely destroyed, and no one was ready to work with him. After this, the so-called secret society moved another pawn in the dirty game. A company named AEG contacted Michael to sign a music deal of 10 concerts around the world. Michael signed this deal, but soon he realized that AEG was pushing him to do 40 more concerts in same amount. Actually, when 50% of the shares of his music catalog went to Sony Music, and after that when he had to face the case of child abuse, he was financially weak. So in order to strengthen his financial status, he signed this deal, but it proved really unfortunate for Michael Jackson. Due to this deal, Michael was depressed, and during all this, he was getting death threats from the secret society. Even he used to tell his family and his friends that they are going to murder me and soon I will die. After this, AEG hired a doctor for psychological treatment of Michael, but the doctor hired was actually the part of plan to kill Michael so that Sony Music can get 100% shares. Same happened. The doctor slow poisoned Michael with a drug named morphine. Michael died on June 25, 2009 during his world tour with AEG. As expected, after few months of Michael's death, Sony Music got all the shares. This whole story depicts how the secret society is not letting the people with talent to come up. Instead, they use their resources to bury anyone who comes in their way or goes against their benefits. And not only Michael Jackson, many other famous personalities, and their death is associated to Illuminati. Illuminati is actually a mysterious community since nobody knows that how they work, where they are, who controls them, who's their actual boss, what are their plannings, what they actually want. Nobody knows the real truth about it. And they're really hard to reach since they work so secretly and they are ruling the world somehow. So this was all from me and my group mates. I hope you got all the information regarding Illuminati. Thank you so much.